Hi, my name is Felipe Sintra, and today I will show you how to use AMP Analytics with Yandex. So, if you want to track your users and how your content is performing online, AMP Analytics will be the component that will help you to achieve that. And for that, what we can track with that component, it's the page views, anchor clicks, timer, scrolling, and forms. Also, we can track the AMP carousel chains. And the important thing is, if you are using the AMP plugin for WordPress, the plugin will take care of everything. The main thing that you need to specify, it is a few configurations that you're gonna see in the future. In the case that you are using the official AMP plugin, inside your dashboard, at the AMP settings, you find the settings that you can define the analytics service that you're gonna use on your WordPress website. So, AMP provides support for more than 50 vendors, and those 50 vendors, each one has a specific configuration. The important thing that you need to know is check the documentation of your vendor is see how those items will work. So as you can see at that slide, with Yandex, we will use two important information. First, number one, is the ID of Yandex, that it is Metrica, and the second information is the JSON configuration that Yandex expects. So those type of configurations you change by vendor. So in that scenario, with Yandex, you need to pass a property called counter ID. That ID is the ID of your account that you can find inside your dashboard. And what you can track with Yandex? In that case, you can track the visitors, the bounce rate, conversion, and page scrolling. If you want to know more about that, you can check the Yandex documentation that you can find the link at the description below. So now we're gonna jump in our dashboard and I'll just show you a small example how to use Yandex with your WordPress website. Inside my dashboard, if I have my AMP plugin installed, when I pass the mouse over the AMP link, I will see an option called Analytics. When I click at the Analytics section, my Analytics configuration, if it's not defined yet, we're gonna find that section. I will click at the plus button. Once I click at the plus button, I will need to define my vendor configuration. As we saw in our slide previously, I need to add the ID of Yandex, that it is Metrica. And I will add my JSON code. In that case, I just need the information inside the brackets. I will copy that information, paste at my configuration, and here we have our JSON configuration available. And now the last step that I need to do is remove that information, that just a sign that we can do more with that configuration, and add my counter ID. So with that information, once you save, your website it's ready to track with Yandex. If you want to add an extra vendor, you can just click on the plus button and you can have two analytics services tracking your website. In my case, for example, I can use the Google Analytics ID, and with that ID, once that I paste that information, the plugin already know how the configuration for Google Analytics works, and we're gonna have out complete information. In that case, the only information that I need to change here, it's only my tracking ID from Google Analytics, and that's it. So with that area, I can have one or more analytics servers running in my AMP version. So if you want to know more about Yandex, check the documentation, and if you need any help, please contact us at the support forum at wordpress.org/support/plugin/AMP. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.